Hello everyone, I'm Sarah, your AI guide. Welcome back to a new English lesson with Safar AI, your journey to better English. I'm here to help you learn how to use the present simple tense for routines and the present continuous tense for current activities. Let's begin with the key points. Present simple for routines, present continuous for current activities, comparing present simple and present continuous. Identify the tense, discussing the weekly schedule. Summary. Present simple for routines. Let's begin with the present simple tense. We use it to talk about things we do regularly, our routines, and habits. The following actions happen on a regular schedule. Let's practice repeating them together. I go to the gym every Monday. She works from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. every day. We have team meetings every Friday. Great. Present continuous for current activities. Now let's look at the present continuous tense. We use it to talk about actions happening right now or things that are temporary this week. The following sentences are not routines, they are temporary or happening right now. Let's practice saying them together. I am working on a special project this week. He is studying for his exam today. They are visiting their grandparents this weekend. Excellent. Comparing present simple and present continuous. Let's compare the two tenses with examples. Routines versus temporary activities. I go to work every morning at 8 a.m. Routine. This week, I'm working from home. Temporary. General facts versus specific current actions. She teaches math at a school. General fact. She is teaching an online class today. Current activity. Scheduled events versus plans happening soon. We meet every Friday for coffee. Scheduled event. We are meeting at a new cafe this Friday. Plans happening soon. The context of your sentence will help you decide which tense to use. Identify the tense. Let's practice. Try to decide if these sentences use the present simple or present continuous before me. I go to the gym on Tuesdays. It's routine, so we use present simple. She is preparing a presentation right now. It's happening now, so we use present continuous. They visit their grandparents every weekend. It's routine, so it's present simple. We are studying together this evening. It's a specific plan for this evening, so it's present continuous. Great work. Discussing the weekly schedule. Now, let's talk about the weekly schedule. For example, on Mondays, I always attend a yoga class. Routine. This Monday, I am trying a new workout. Temporary. I usually cook dinner at 6 p.m. Routine. Tonight, I am ordering pizza. Specific plan. Summary. Let's review what we learned today. Use the present simple for routines and regular activities. I go to the gym on Mondays. Use the present continuous for current or temporary activities. I am trying a new workout this week. Add time expressions like always, every day, this week, tonight, to show when the action happens. Thanks for watching. Keep learning with Safar AI, your journey to better English. And remember, practice makes perfect.